Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a video for Maths GCSE Foundation exam preparation. This question says write 468,000 in standard form. So I've got 468,000 in standard form. Now standard form needs a number between 1 and 10. So I'm going to choose 4, but I need that 0.68 as well. So it's 4.68. Then I need to multiply by a power of 10. That'll get me back to there. Now I know 10 to the 6 is 1,000,000, and 10 to the 3 is 1,000. So there's 1,000. There's 10 to the 4. It's 10 to the 5. And I can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place values before 4. Don't count the zeros because I've got 0.68 there. If it was 400,000, then yes, I could count the zeros and see, I need a 5. But don't just count the zeros. Look at those other points there. So it's 4.68 times 10 to the 5 will get me 468,000. Okay, now doing the reverse, I've got a number in standard form, 5.037 times 10 to the minus 4. I'll write that as an ordinary number. Now it's minus 4, not a negative number, but a negative power of 10, so I'm getting smaller. So I'm going to have 4 zeros to represent that I've moved 4 place values. The 5 was there, then 10 to the minus 1, 10 to the minus 2, 10 to the minus 3, and then one more jump there, 5037. And I could check if I was to move that decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, I'd get back there. Okay, so that should get you those 2 marks. If you're in an exam, try and aim for a mark a minute, which is roughly what I'm doing at the moment, trying to do it slow enough to explain what I'm doing, but do pause the video if you need. Okay, let's look at this next question. Here is a bias spinner. We have A, B, C, D on it. And the table shows the probabilities that when the spinner is spun, it will land on those 4. So it's not exactly a fair spinner. We've got A coming up 0.4 times, B 0.21, C 0.32, and D 0.07. They should all add up to 1. I can see 0.4 plus 0.32 would be 0.72, 0.93. Yes, it does all sum to 1, as we should know with probability. Luca will spin the spinner 200 times, work out an estimate. So we don't know exactly, but we're going to estimate how many times the spinner will land on A. So to do that, we just multiply 200 times the probability of A. So that's 200 times 0.4. Now that's the same as 4/10. So I'm doing 4/10 times 200. Can cancel some zeros there. 4 times 20 is 80. There are other ways to have worked that out. Maybe some people can just see that, or you can go multiply that by 10 and divide that by 10 and do 20 times 4, which is what I've ended up doing there. So I estimate that A will come up 80 times out of those 200. So there we go. That's Martin Maths. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Good luck with your maths.